Welcome to The Explainer. So, today we're diving straight into something seriously cool, the futuristic intersection of artificial intelligence and construction. We're going to see if AI can actually step up and be your personal architect. It's an incredibly exciting time for design right now, and man, we have a lot of ground to cover.
I want to kick things off by posing this massive viral question. Can AI design your entire house without an architect? Let's find out. We're launching into a complete myth-busting experiment today. We're putting AI to the ultimate test to see what it can really do. And honestly, where it falls completely flat.
You see, AI is absolutely rewriting the rules of building the planet. It's not just about writing emails or summarizing articles anymore. Nope. Tools like ChatGPT are stepping out of the chat box and generating actual concrete floor plans, calculating spatial ideas, and even shaping the 3D spaces we might be living in tomorrow. It's a massive shift in how we approach the built environment. All right, so here's the workflow. We're going to use a really fast-paced, 6-step process to put our AI architect to the test. Step 1, define requirements. Step 2, generate a floor plan. 3, create a 2D drawing. 4, build a 3D model. 5, AI visualization. And 6, cost estimation. Let's walk through exactly how this works in practice.
Okay, so step 1 is all about defining the requirements. Because look, generic prompts yield generic layouts. If you just type in, hey, design me a nice house, you're going to get a terrible result. You've got to feed the AI highly specific data. We're talking exact room dimensions, the size of your plot, specific room functions, style preferences, and any crucial constraints, like a really tight budget or a tiny 90 square foot space.
Now let's move on to step 2 and look at a real complex text prompt. We aren't just having a casual chat here. We're commanding the AI to generate a specific data structure called a JSON file. That's basically just a set of instructions a computer can easily read. We tell it the exact dimensions, like a 30 by 40 foot single-story plan, and exactly what rooms to include. We're literally forcing the AI to create a structured mathematical layout, rather than just spitting back a chatty response.
And why do we do that? Well, because the AI actually maps out spatial logic. It acts like this digital blueprint engine, outputting exact X and Y coordinates. It calculates where every single wall, door, window, and piece of furniture needs to sit perfectly within that 30 by 40 boundary. It's doing the math of an architect, but in milliseconds. Crazy, right?
Moving to step 3, we need to convert all that mathematical data into a 2D drawing. Here, ChatGPT is actually writing Python code for professional architectural software like Revit or AutoCAD. We take those coordinates we just generated, and we have the AI write a script to automatically draw the walls and windows right into the software. You're effectively coding your house into existence.
Which brings us to the very exciting 4th step. The code generated by the AI transforms your flat 2D plan into a real, tangible 3D building block structure inside modeling programs like Revit or SketchUp. The AI has successfully taken your text prompt, calculated the geometry, written the code, and generated a real 3D model with walls, a roof, and windows. I mean, it's practically magic.
But honestly, nobody wants to look at a boring gray box, right?
Step 5 brings a dramatic transformation. We take that basic 3D model and run it through a visualization AI, like Midjourney or Veris. Suddenly, that simple geometry is mapped with light, texture, and materials, giving you a highly realistic rendering of what the house will actually look like in the real world. And the absolute best part about AI visualization, it is incredibly fast and totally flexible. You can instantly swap materials and styles. You can change your prompt from a wooden retail store to a concrete office building, or even a black metallic building in a matter of seconds. You can swap the lighting from a bright sunrise to a dark, rainy night. You're visualizing multiple, high-quality design ideas instantly, which saves days, creating weeks of manual rendering. Finally, for step 6, we bring it back to reality, the budget. Because the AI has mathematically mapped the 3D structure and knows the exact dimensions of every wall and floor, you can prompt it to calculate the raw materials needed. It can give you an incredibly fast, data-driven estimate for your project budget based on the exact geometry just created. So, seeing all of this, the absolutely crucial question we have to ask is the AI architect flawless? Can we just hand these plans to a builder and start pouring concrete tomorrow? Well, not quite. Let's do a quick reality check and look at the crucial limitations of this technology.
On one hand, the advantages are massive, right? AI is incredibly fast, it's cheap, it's easy to edit, and it generates instant ideas. But on the other hand, the limitations are severe. There is absolutely zero structural guarantee. The AI doesn't know if that roof is going to collapse. You absolutely must verify everything with professional structural engineers, and of course, the AI can't automatically guarantee compliance with your highly specific local building codes. And then there's a major technical pitfall we discovered in the tests, known as the iteration problem. This happens when you try to change just one small detail, like, say, asking the AI to simply move a bed to the other side of the room. Suddenly, the AI unexpectedly alters or completely ruins the entire floor plan. The bathroom just disappears, or a load-bearing wall shifts completely at random. AI really struggles to maintain consistent logic when you try to edit its initial output.
Which leads us to this definitive quote from our sources. There is no reason why anyone would choose to use AI instead of professional floor plan software for final designs. So here's the final verdict. AI is a wildly powerful brainstorming assistant. It can get you past the blank page in seconds, but it is absolutely not a full replacement for professional architects and dedicated structural software.
But we can't stop there, because the future of this tech is moving at lightning speed. We're already looking toward 4D and 5D modeling. This means AI won't just design the 3D space, it'll automatically optimize the construction schedule, that's the fourth dimension, and the live cost analysis, that's the fifth. It will even integrate real-time human movement data to automatically design buildings based on how humans actually walk and interact within spaces. The era of smart construction is literally just beginning.
So, after seeing how fast AI is transforming design, I really want to hear from you. What does your AI dream house look like? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to keep exploring the cutting edge of AI in construction, make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.